It's like carpet. You see? So, yeah, this is very good. And this
is thermal bag.
thermal bag.
Yeah, it's new this year.
Like food.
Yeah. Extra cargo. Full waterproof.
Full waterproof, huh?
Yes. It's expandable. This zip you can close and it's full.
Yes. Looking good. I travel the world. Just here only.
Okay.
Near. Not all the world.
Europe.
Europe, yeah.
Not Europe, South Europe. South.
South Europe.
Greece. Around.
Yes.
In Central. Waterproof.
Yeah.
This is also waterproof.
Yes.
Yes.
You have the internal bag
yes.
that's full waterproof. Even these, you see.
This also.
You travel? No.
No, I'm
Selma.
too young.
I'm too old.
I have to do my driver license for the bike.
You're so young, eh?
Yeah.
How old are you?
24. This year I can do it.
Really?
Yeah.
Waterproof, it's this. So if you want to make your Suzuki Vestrom, what's this for?
This is
Points.
for the telepass.
For
the
telepass.
highway, motorways.
Yes.
You can put the device here, then close it.
Really nice. Yes.
And
There's one button here, red.
you need to press this down and pull out.
This red here.
This it's right now is screwed because they will steal it. But it's fast release. You press this, you can put this out,
Yes.
and you can combine. You can switch
Okay.
with
Understand.
one support. You can use all the device.
And here you saw.
It's called Airflow.
This
It's
is new.
Airflow. It's the name
Yes.
of the product. It's an adjustable windscreen.
Zivi.
Yes.
This is new, huh? Look, this is different. You have to check this out. And here you Vestrom 800. Keeping like for cages too. All. This is all. Quite sport. Maybe here. Extra can. Water. Suitable for water. This is for water, not gas. Looking strong. And the rack. They want to see on the rack. People love traveling. And so do I. And this is interesting, they want to see. Okay. You can shake a little bit, they can see. Okay, also they want to see, this is very important for them. This is very important.
Airflow, GV Airflow.
I see from here now.